Bless you, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. I hold up love and blessings. We say give thanks to life another day. Life are the greatest, so cherish each moment. See? Yes, man. Cherish each moment, because we see all the world I run right now. Today we're there, tomorrow we're gone. Doesn't have to be, you don't have to involve in nothing. You know what I mean? For lose the 3 points. So you have to be grateful. When I open up your eyes in the morning, just remember to give thanks to Father God. See? Yeah, man.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, hit the bell. Yeah, man, I do this vlog personally for send my condolences to the mother of Moisha, you know what I mean, Eve, the lady, young lady who lost her beautiful life, you know what I mean, by the hands of the gunman them. So me I say, you know, I'm here the man of peace, we say stop the crime, never left it. See, Man of Peace Records, yes, we're open to work with some artists right now, big and small, any caliber. See, you know, we have to take the thing serious and all, yeah. As what I said, but yeah man, 23-year-old makeup artist gone down at her home in Westmoreland, John style. Not at her home. I've been following the story for the past week, for it just happened, but I just get for cover it now. I also got preview when I'm track them from the coming EP, Welcome to Kingston, see? Title, Tired and Fed Up by it. That's what I say. Too much violence in the place. The yellow village bamboo style. You're not creating back earlier. Too much innocent life and waste. Yeah, I'm tired and fed up by it, man. Frustration full up my face, man. I'm tired and fed up by it. That's what I say, my viewers and subscribers. You see it? You see more time I do my vlog them and review the music them and the mix up and the passa them. I don't know how Lionfoot work. We try to entertain everybody. But at the end of the day, Lionfoot is a conscious youth, you know what I mean? Very cool and humble person, humble soul, you know what I mean? Yes. You know what I mean? Love. Is it? Lionfoot, I have no grudge in other art, I have no grudge, no hate. Me just humble, jump one away and a bit antisocial. You see me? I rather stay by myself more than hang around people who likely to hurt me. Yeah, I look out for the similar job soon, you know, me, myself and I. Yeah, but yeah, Moisha, look how beautiful the girl is, man. Look how beautiful she is. Jano, star my viewers and subscribers. Look how beautiful she is. Jano, age 23. Age 23.
Fire like basic sting. Them generation I don't fear nothing at all. Night and day them a kill your girl.
Yes man, every day that's the same damn thing. Gunshot of fire like bees it a sting. Them generation they don't fear nothing at all. Night and day them a kill them brawling. And so I say my viewers and subscribers. So this young lady here, them say she was going out with this person who was a cricketer, but them say venture into this scamming world. Me don't know if I true or lie, I'm just elaborating on what's out there, what's been saying out there. Now I mean, I listened to the interview of the mother, the voice note of the mother crying, and when I hear the pain and the anguish in her voice, trust me, I would have wished that for my worst enemy. Although I don't know if I'm the enemy, but yeah, I'm not the enemy of anyone. So if anyone is an enemy to me, lucky, Obi and Tone. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, when I hear the lady, the mother, is not a nice feeling. To hear her mother, it's not nice to lose someone, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? And this young lady here, the mother said, she was on the phone and tell her sister, said, you know, if I'm dead, I never have a picture enough for use a video of me and them thing there. Ja. Viewers and subscribers. But anyway, them says she pull up at the place and the man them approached from the back of the yard. Shout out the brother name and he took off. Fire shot. She, you know, frightened. You can imagine the fear in herself. She knows that she could have, you know, she cannot run. She's a female. I know we say stop the violence against women. Stop the violence against women.
The love that show, man, this a show. You try if he block him now. Can't get squad, so him get the shot and but him quick by man got out him now.
The love now show a badness a chuck. New recruit a try if he block him ducks. Can't get squawk so him catch the shot. Busting wingpipe and cut out him gut. Jano, my viewers and subscribers. Jano, speechless, heartless, you know, saddened by such a tragic moment. What about stop the violence? Love our women, stop the violence against women and men. You know? Janos, I just sad. The girl is so beautiful and pretty, man. Makeup artist and makeup artist. And a bright future for working. You know, farthest lady career would I go? By working with all of the top celebrities, the top artists, the male and female, TV presenter, prime minister. You never know. It's all about recommendation, and this young lady you can see she had a future. She had a pathway of betterment, you know what I mean? Greatness. And the life is taken. Now I don't know if it's because of jealousy or what, you see me? Or what. But the man could have spared the life still. The man could have spared the life of the lady. I say, your man get to it, we're not gonna hurt you. You see me? Jano style. Sad. Blackburn, my king, better. See if you can have back to it. Typically, yeah, me, man, drum them. Yeah, man, I'm single. This is one of the track them on my coming EP. Welcome to Kingston. We are planning to do the launch in February, but we have to put it back because of certain financial reasons. You see what I say? Yeah, because we are planning to do the launch at Jamaica, but certain financial reasons and things pop up, you know what I mean? I don't know, like, as an independent artist, now get the money off of YouTube, you know what I mean? Even though we now do the YouTube for the money, we are doing it so we can connect with you guys, ladies and gentlemen out there, boys and girls, to the gunman them, the police them, about doing the right thing. You see what I say? Helping my fellow artists, brothers them and sisters them by highlighting, enlightening their music out there on the platform. You see me? Yes. So we're grateful for life. You see what I say? It's not all about money, everything's about money, but I don't know, I'm an independent artist, I'm not a manager, I do the thing myself when I can release a song, I do it myself. Or if a producer link me and want to work with me, I'm really not open to once it right, the connection right, the chemistry right, or the business talk, proposal is right. You see, my viewers and subscribers, yeah man.
What's wrong with them? You just are. Them blighted and moving them own future star. Them must be badness and them could have choose to be a singer, runner, or a football superstar.
Yeah man, me don't know what's wrong with them youth star. You see me, them ruin them future when them could be a football superstar, runner, cricketer, or a football superstar. You see me? Them blighting and ruin them own future star. You see me? They use them, think before and acting twice. You don't know, Lionfoot can't tell you how to live in a life, or Lionfoot now if you put bread pan on the table or but you see me? So when I go out there go look it, but think twice. You know, and be prepared to pay the price. You see it? Moisha, Momo, Jano style, condolence to the mother. The mother, if you're watching this right now, stay strong, mama, stay strong. She's gone, your daughter gone, but she's with you. And she can vision you and tell you exactly what happened. And I hope you get justice, mama. Just stay strong, you know. It's Jano style. Sad man, the man could have leave the young lady style, you see me? Stop the violence against women and men. Live good in the community. There's a way out. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. There's a way out. 23-year-old makeup artist. Murdered at her home. Joined in Westmoreland. Well, and that's where she live. Mapen she come from, but her boyfriend come from Westmoreland. So we don't know if I show him, then we catch she, him so them deal with her. He said we can't catch Kwako catch a shot. But it's just sad. Just sad.
I dedicate this up to Lucia. R.I.P. and memories in mind. They left the 12-year-old. Never left the scoring ball. Not blessed soul.
Yeah man, I dedicate this song to Dujan. My viewers and subscribers, I know how long I do that song here? From 2019. Dujan is a young local footballer when I coach. When I work at the school, I coached him. And I watched him develop and get better and better. You know what I mean? And he ended up got a scholarship to go Excelsior High to play football. And I feel proud in myself. You see, because it's not the first I coach kids and they excel to greatness in England here. And I have the same mentality for Jamaica. But you know when I don't have the money and certain things, you see me? But yeah. And when I came back to England, I heard that the man running at the yard, shot fire, man get her. Similar to where we a young lady, innocent look at you, 12-year-old. Man, you see me, never get to score him goal. And that's me saying that the song, you know. And when I got the news, I cried. His mother got shot, but she survived. You man dead. You see me? Jano. You see me? Jano. Sad man. That's how I wrote the song. I'm just going to release it this year. I release it this year from EP, Welcome to Kingston. I'm wanting to look out for that EP. The fire low, big up yourself. You see me? Yeah, man, a peace and love my viewers and subscribers. And once again, I'm sending my deepest, sincere condolence to the families of Moesha Heath. You see me? Yes, man. Mama, stay strong. And the rest of the family, stay strong. And the friends, them, stay strong. And to the youths, them, stop the crime. Please, Lion Foot, I beg of you. Say? Yeah, man, stop the crime. I live in love and peace. Augusto, Rockford. Portmore, Bridgeport, Spanglers. Zell. Spanish Town, Maypet, Mobile. Jamaica, I run out here. Look out for the song. Tired of it up. It's a 6-track EP. Welcome to Kingston. Alright? Peace and love. Lion Foot. Don't forget to like and share. And share this to the mother of Moesha. Stay strong, mama. Say, who shots? Thanks for watching Lion Foot TV.